Wagwan my people, DeAndre Dingo here, now I'm saying, back here with another monkey video, now I'm saying. So, no further ado, I want to tell y'all this, right? Promise me this right now. We gonna make this the best monkey video on YouTube at the moment. We gonna make sure this is the best monkey video on YouTube right now. And what I want you to do right now is make sure you like this video right now. I want you to go click the like button right now. I want you to click the subscribe button right now. I want you to go turn on post notification right now. Cause here we're gonna make sure that this video is the best video. And the more like you like the video, the more the video gonna get recommended. You hear me? So I want you to do that for me right now. Let's get into the rotted video. Dingo! Yeah. So the first thing, so you mean to tell me the first thing you gonna say to me while I come on this? Exactly. Add you on Snap, bro?
Yeah. What I tell you, bro?
Add you on. Yo, I'm not gonna add you. Yo.
Take that filter off.
I don't know how. Teach me.
What's wrong with your hair? You have a jungle going up in there. It's nappy as fuck.
My shit not nappy. Don't disrespect me like that. Your shit probably nappy and dirty. Fuck out of here.
Hi.
Yo, how the let me not curse, but how you take this shit off, man?
I don't know.
I came on the app and this shit on my head, bro. It need to go. But this shit need to. Yo, how you take this off, bro? There we go. You gotta use your brain sometimes. What's up, Trevor?
What's good, brother?
What's good, man? You good? Yo, y'all in? Yeah, man. Stay.
Hey, at time.
Bro.
Hell yeah.
So
Where
what?
You from?
I'm in New York, man. I'm living in New York.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
We're from Cali.
Oh, you in Cali? That's where I wanna live.
Hell yeah.
Shit, I'm tired of New York. This shit boring. I'm trying to move to Cali, man.
Yeah. I get you.
What's your tat say, bro?
It says family in Italian.
That's fire. That's fire.
Pretty hard, right?
Yeah, I kind of want to tap.
I'm gonna add you. You're dope as fuck.
I'm gonna follow you back, man.
Hell yeah. It's like one of the dopest guys I've found all day,
bro.
Everybody on here is lame as shit.
I kind of want a tattoo, but then I don't. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel.
Yeah, it's like I want my skin clean, but then again, I wanna touch it up a little bit. I wanna.
That's how I was for a while. How old are you?
I'm 18.
Okay, same. We're both 18. So like, when I turned 18, I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get a tat. And then like, I thought about it, and I was like, I waited probably like 6-7 months, and I was kind of iffy about it, but I was like, you know, fuck it, full send, and I fucking got it.
Yeah, cause my birthday is next month, and I'm just here thinking like, man, should I get this shit?
Send it, bro. I mean, if it's something you like, if it's something you truly fuck with, like, send it.
That's a fact, bro. I'm gonna do that shit. Yo, what's up, girl? You got braces? You got? Yeah. Yo.
Hey, do I have hands?
What?
Yo, I have big hands.
Yeah, they look kind of fat and chunky.
Yeah, cause I'm black. I slap someone. This the fucking man hands out here. Like that's fucked up.
I don't care, bro. Tell me about your hands for. I don't care. You from Virginia? Ooh. You from Virginia?
Yeah.
Heard you, man.
You should add time.
Yeah, I added time. I'll follow you back too. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Why you over there hiding? What you doing? Over here biting your phone and shit. Where you going?
Okay.
Yeah. So what y'all doing on the app, like? Yeah, I know. I see you. That's why I know you on monkey. I see you. I see you. I see you. You know what I'm saying? I see you. So what y'all doing? Y'all just chilling? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ain't nothing else to do.
Nah, I'm feeling.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 18. How old are y'all? Y'all look pretty young, somewhat. Damn, I said 18 and she look, man, she like, man, shit.
How old y'all look?
I don't know. You look like you be like, I'll say 16. You 16? Alright, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you. I said 18. You like,
I'm like, shit.
you look a little upset. I'm just like,
It don't have
damn.
to be 17 though. Yeah, I turned 17 this year, so it's okay.
Alright, but yeah, my birthday next month. No. You be alright though. You be alright. You be alright.
No, it's good. We can be friends. We can be friends.
Yeah, yeah, you alright. You alright. You know what I'm saying? Living in Virginia and shit. Yeah, you alright. Yeah, you in Virginia. Nah, you be alright, man. Chilling. I live in New York. I'm in at the Big Apple.
Always some fine niggas that be living no place.
Y'all be alright though.
Okay.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up, man? What you doing?
Chilling.
Alright. Nah, you chilling. Okay. You look kind of bored. If I eat your butt, what you gonna do? If I eat your butt, what you gonna do? Oh, yo, she like, oh my god. Yo. What you doing, girl? You good?
I got a homework. No, what's
Alright.
up?
Yo, wait. What you gonna do if I eat your butt?
Huh?
What you gonna do if I eat your butt?
For her test? Yeah.
She knows she wanna say something. Yo, I'm gonna tell you this from now. I'm gonna cut to the chase. Can I eat your butt? What's
No,
why not? Why not? I thought girls like stuff like that.
No.
Fuck. You gonna let me? Yo, let me talk to you real quick. At time. Let me talk to you real quick.
No, keep talking to me real quick.
Let me talk to you real quick. If y'all girls, and I know how y'all girls think. If I say let me eat your butt right now, you gonna say yes, right?
Flash?
Why you lying? Why you lying?
I wouldn't say that. I don't know you.
But what if you did know me though?
It's good. Of course. Wait,
Yo,
What's up?
the fuck?
What's the word?
Yo, you're not doing this.
Yo?
Oh shit.
Oh shit, what?
You look like The Weeknd.
The Weeknd?
Yeah, cause your hair. Like when he had his hair.
I don't look like no goddamn Weeknd. What?
Get out the way!
Whoa. 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 Yeah, hit it. Hit the whoa. Oh, I can't do it either. Yo.
Seahawks.
What?
Said you like the Seahawks.
Yeah, it's my team, you feel me? Yeah, why you hiding the girl, nigga? Let me see that shit. Fuck you talking about? Yo? Who's crack-a-lacking? Why I'm not seeing you? Why you coming on the app if you're not gonna show yourself? Yo, move up. Don't come back on this bombat. Yo? Sup, still bunny?
Yo, what's up, buddy?
Not gonna lie, can I eat your butt? That shit look clean. It look clean. It look like you got a clean butt. What? Why she looking at me crazy? She probably like, these damn black people. Hey.
Like you, of course.
Can I eat your butt? It look clean. What? Damn, the dog started barking as soon as I said that shit.
Hello.
Why are you outside, bro? Why are you outside? What are you doing?
Inside, dude. See the roof above me?
But why is she outside? Why?
She's
May God be helped. Like, why are you outside? First of all, where you live? Like, it's dark outside. Like, where do you live? It's dark outside my house. Yo.
What's up?
What's up, girl?
Nothing.
Bye-bye. Cause your vibe kind of off. Like, you give me dry ass nothing. Like, fuck is that, my nigga? Like, yo,
Hello.
what's up?
Not much. How about you?
I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. What the? Yo,
Yo.
what's crack-a-lackin', man?
What's
Yo,
cracking?
nothing. Can I eat your butt? It look clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah, go crazy.
Yo, ooh, them eyebrows looking crazy, boy. What the?
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I don't know. But that shit look crazy. Every girl's coming in rapidly nowadays. Yo, I can't see you. Where you at? What the? Yo, where you at, boy? Yo, my girl, where you there? I don't know. I can't see in that dark, you know. Yo, what y'all do?
Bad.
Yo, Wagwan, everything good? You too young, so me not gonna talk to you. You over here, so you look like you're kinda old, so me gonna talk to you. Yo, at time. Yo, my girl. Yo, Wagwan baby.
What?
Me say Wagwan baby, you know, understand what me I tell you? Oh, me I speak gibberish. Yo, at time. At time. Go suck. Wagwan, everything good?
Yeah, everything's good.
Yeah, I see you, girl. You know what I'm saying?
I like your hair.
Thank you. She over here flexing hers too, like, you know, you see my shit. Yeah. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Yo,
Yo.
sup, baby? Everything good?
What?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yakahumba. The fucking cool.
The girl am coming rapidly now, you know? Bombard style. Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, what's up, dog? Yo.
Wagwan. Say Wagwan. Say Wagwan. Say Wagwan.
What?
Say it.
Say what, nigga?
Wagwan.
So Wagwan?
Yeah.
Hey, bust down Tiana. Hey, my office in your bust down.
Wagwan, baby. Everything good?
Hi.
Say Wagwan. Say Wagwan. Say Wagwan. What the? Yo. Say Wagwan. Say Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Bitch, I'm harder than stepping on men. Big stepper, no still speak to.
Yeah.
Wait, where you from?
I'm from Jamaica. You have officially got your Jamaican card.
I'm
Oh.
I'm Trinidadian.
Are you Trini?
Yeah, what?
You know what I'm saying? The Caribbean people gotta stick to
Right.
like that.
That's right.
Yeah. I thought you was gonna duck my shit and I say Wagwan.
Now Wagwan.
Nah. I like that. Yeah. Got it.
Alright, hit me up on Snap.
Alright, bet. Yo, wait, hold on. You wanna write it down? You wanna write down the snap?
I'll text it to you. What's your name?
It's Kid DD 180 with 3 D's. 3 D's. 3.
Wait, is that your Snap or your name on here? What's your name on here?
It should say DeAndre Dingo.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah, you followed me, so you found it. Alright, I see you.
Alright.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and also comment if you want. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification to never miss another content.